Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube and signing into the account that owns or watches the video. Once done, navigate directly to the specific video or playlist you want to extract a link from. That's your working page. If you're on mobile, make sure to enable the desktop site when you need exact controls. Then pause the video and look for the Share button and the URL field in the address bar. Those are the first actionable places to get different link types. Now find the Share icon under the video. Tapping it gives you the short URL. Link which is quick to paste. Alternatively, copy the full address from the browser bar to preserve playlist or timestamp parameters. To add a timestamp, pause and right-click, or use the Share checkbox for current time. For embedding, open Share right arrow embed to grab iframe code and adjust size or privacy-enhanced mode. Make sure to choose the format you actually need before copying so you don't have to repeat steps. Finally, construct advanced links when needed. Append T equals 120 or and T equals 2M0s for exact start times, or include and list equals playlist ID to reference a playlist. When embedding, use start equals or its equivalent in the iframe to control playback start. Once everything is copied, test the link in an incognito window to confirm behavior. If the link doesn't work, check the video's privacy settings and that the playlist ID or timestamp syntax is correct. Correcting those two items fixes most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.